So if your student is already practicing every day, first of all, that is amazing. You've done the hardest part, which is building the habit. That's your foundation. The next step is thinking about what actually happens during that practice time. For some kids, it just flows. They get through their assignments, the teacher's happy, everything's moving along. And if that's you, awesome. Don't overthink it. But a lot of people want time guidelines. For example, 10 minutes for every year of age. Others say 2 to 3 times their age. 15 minutes is actually a lot of time for some of the little ones to focus on. For beginners, 30 minutes can be plenty. For older kids, maybe 45. But honestly, those are just ballpark numbers. The real test is, did they finish what their teacher has asked them to do? And here's the big thing. It's not just about time. It's about quality. 30 minutes just staring at an instrument or noodling around on it isn't the same as focused practice. Your teacher will be giving them specific things to work on, not just what to play, but how to play it. So think of it this way, the daily habit is your pie dish. Once that's in place, then you can add the flour, which is the actual practice time. And the goal isn't to hit a number. It's to help your child grow, stay motivated, and actually enjoy making music. So your challenge for this week, set goals for practice time with your student, but also sit down with them and see what they're doing with that time. Ask your teacher for help with structuring both what and how they're practicing. See you next week.